Hey there, folks. If you're watching this, you're probably ready to say goodbye to your Honeydue account. Maybe you're switching apps or just simplifying your digital life. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Honeydue is a fantastic tool for couples to manage shared finances, but deleting an account is straightforward once you know how. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Honeydue account on the app or website. If you don't have access, you'll need to reset your password or recover your account before proceeding. Once you're in, head over to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon or looking for a gear-shaped icon in the corner. It's pretty intuitive. Next, scroll down in the settings until you see the Account or Profile section. Here, look for an option that says something like Delete Account or Deactivate Account. It might be under a privacy or security submenu, so take a moment to browse if it's not immediately obvious. When you find it, tap or click on that option to start the deletion process. Honeydue will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, so read any prompts carefully. You might need to enter your password again or provide a reason for leaving. Be honest if it helps improve the app for others. Once confirmed, the app may take a few minutes to process your request. One important thing to note: deleting your account will permanently remove your data, including shared budgets and transaction history. If there's anything you want to save, export it first through the app's export feature. Also, if you're in a shared account with a partner, they might need to be involved or it could affect their access, so communicate with them beforehand. And just like that, you're all set. Your Honeydue account should now be deleted. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the app's help section or contact their support team. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.